Are we due for a crash? Well, let's look at bull and bear markets. This is from JP Morgan Wealth Management. It's the kind of data I like to share with my clients. What does it tell us? Well, actually, it gives us some idea, not that this is a guarantee of the future, that first of all, bear markets happen, but they happen quite infrequently, less frequently than you would imagine. So 2022, we of course had one where the markets fell 27%. Bull markets tend to be quite prolonged, and the current one is, well, the duration's 43 months and the price rise has been 97% during it. We've had previous ones which have had bigger price rises. We've had previous ones which have lasted longer. This one, in actual fact, has probably meets the average, really. And are we due for another fall? Well, even if we are, we shouldn't be surprised or panic during it because we know they happen. The reason I do a daily and weekly update for my clients and I do these videos is so you know there's somebody in the lighthouse keeping a watchful eye in case we do get the coming storm or air traffic control, as I sometimes call it. If you like this, save it. But the most important lesson from all of this is we don't know when, but we do know it's coming, and we shouldn't panic when it happens. The kind of person who tries to call out when, and the most useful way we found out to calling out when, as we did in 2022, is if we see short and medium-term prices falling, i.e. we actually witness the prices falling, not talk, not Jeremy Graham talking about markets falling, not Michael Burry, because they're perma bears. They're always talking about them falling. When we actually see the prices falling, then we know to be on high alert and we go to amber state. And red is when there's a bit of a drop. We try not to be too behind, but we'd rather be a little bit late than early, because the people who are early are actually wrong. The people who are late already have some evidence and they're already right because they're a bit late. Okay. And the money they make from not being early and staying in longer more than pays off for the little they might lose by being a bit late. Anyway, all of these little things we show clients, and we give them model portfolios as well suited to their risk capacity and risk appetite. Have a look at alpeshpatel.com if you'd like a free pension review. If you'd like to have an overview of how we do things, a free tour of how we do things, then also look at the same website, alpeshpatel.com. Thank you.